Everyone, welcome to YNAB Budget. Today I'll be showing you guys how I budget for April, my first paycheck of April using YNAB. This number at the top here is the amount of money from my paycheck and some rollover money. This very number that you see here is from spending I have already done, but I wanted to show you guys this budget. So this is the first video in the series of my YNAB budgeting. So today I will be doing the budget breakdown. Next, I'll be showing you guys how I categorize my spending. This over here that I'm not going to shows all the accounts that I have connected, my credit cards, my savings account. And I'm not comfortable showing that because I really don't want to show you all the money that I have, in my account. So last video, I did go over every single category that I have here. So if you want to check out my categories and what I have without showing any numbers, then and me explaining which each one is for, go check out that video. So first off, we're going to start off with Keep Me Afloat. This is just the buffer that I put in my account every month. I always give myself $25 no matter what. Weekly expenses, I always give myself $120. Most of the time, I keep this money in there. Sometimes I roll it over to my car fund that I showed y'all, keep Amber alive, or to gas, which is rare for gas, but I always put it to my car because stuff always happens with cars that you don't see coming. As y'all know, if you have a car, I'm sorry if the audio is a little off. I am recording this on my iPad and using the my MacBook Pro, guys, and I am using the microphone on there. So let me know how audio quality is. I am probably going to try to get a microphone so that the audio is better. So this week, since I know that I'm not going to be doing much driving, I am comfortable transferring this money over to keep Amara alive and gas. So I'm going to move this money to keep Amara alive. I'm going to move $23.45, and then I'm going to move this next into gas. And this is not gas y'all smoke, this is gas for a car, okay? Hopefully my video don't get flagged for that. Then I'll add 120 because I do drive 45 minutes to work every single day. Yuck. When I lived in Pennsylvania, it was 15-20 minutes with traffic. Let's see how I did that. So I'm going to undo that, and I'm just going to do plus 120. So it just shows this number, like it's saying I only assigned this much because I took away, but available I do have 120. I told you I haven't really put any money aside for eating out, but I have really been craving kava, so I am going to put $20 there, and I'll come back if I want to change anything. This might be a little chaotic, y'all. I'm just gonna let you know now. So here, for health insurance, I already paid this with my credit card, but I'm going to show you guys how I made this target. So in edit target, you can put how much your bill is, the date of month that it comes out, and how much you want to set aside. They do have a couple things that you could choose for setting aside. You could say set aside $71 for every single month, or say I already have money in there and I just want to keep filling up to that every single month. I could do that, but since I do like to be ahead, I just try to put that amount of money every single month, so I have set aside for another month. So $71.54. Even though I have $2.14 left over, because it told me that it was going to be $13.28, but I really think it's $11.14 because that's why I have money left over. But we're going to keep with $13.28 because sometimes bills be trying to change. Discount Tire is a credit card. I drive so much every single day, like 300 miles a week. Going to see my partner and stuff like that, and then work, because work is far if I have to go to a different office. But like I told y'all, this week I think I'll have a little bit less driving since I'm going to the office that's closer to my house, but my main work office is the further office. So Discount Tire is a tire credit card, but I have it under bills because I am trying to pay it down. I think the payment a month is like $45, but to get no interest, you have to pay it off within 6 months. So I'm doing $152. I got 4 tires and the what do you call it? The coverage thing. So that like if I pop a tire, air leaks, I get a new tire. So let's add 50. So now that's fully funded. Rent $100. I'm gonna be giving my mom extra money this month just due to the fact that I owed her money because y'all, I had this whole fraud thing going on my account. Somebody wiped my whole entire account out. So we'll get into that another day. A story time. Protect yourself. People are crazy. Yes. Then Apple Watch. This is when I have an Apple credit card. I bought my mom an Apple Watch. I guess they gave me 24 months to pay it off. So since I have other money in credit card, you can't pay it off sooner. So that's what that is. I will probably keep it or hide this one. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything from Apple soon. But now mutual fund $60 because I am paying all my bills from the 4th to the 18th. My tithes, I am giving this amount. And my OH account, I will be adding $2. Ooh, wait. I didn't mean to put that. $2 to make it 10. Subscriptions. A lot of these are not due as of right now. The only one that is due is this one. I don't know if I'm going to pay YNAB right now, so I will come back to that. This used to be $3 and now it's $9 because I have increased it. So yeah, so that I get like a percentage, and this is where my Roth IRA is, which is separate from the mutual fund. I probably won't max out at 7,000, but I'm okay with that. Then I'm looking here about what I have to pay. So I know $50 for this. So that's for Amazon, that my spending stuff. I do still have my Amazon envelope like for spending. I just want to do on Amazon. So you see how I don't know if I should this, but I try to put $100 here every single month because I transferred that money over from gas to this. It's going to say that I don't really need to put that much, but I'm still going to do 100 on top of that. Date night, I'm not putting anything on there as of now. Fitness, I really might move that to mid spending because I don't really do a lot of that as of now. Like fitness, like buying stuff like I used to, like protein bars and all of that. So some stuff categories might get moved around. I just really base everything off of the binders that I had previously. And then into toiletries, I am going to put 21. I did already spend some money on that, but I needed to re-up on feminine products, so I'm adding some money to that. And I use my credit card, so I'm going to be covering credit card spending too for my Apple credit card. I just like using my credit card when I'm out, and I think that's why I really started using YNAB because I love getting the points. Even though it's like 1%, whatever, I love getting the points even on my regular credit card. So into Danae here going out, I'm not going to put anything self-care. I might come back to this because I do need to get my nails done, wax, all that jazz. Personal, this is like personal money for me to spend. I do have a spending envelope, but I haven't really put money because I don't really need to spend right now. For now, I'm just going to add $100. The lady I go to is expensive, but I absolutely love her. She dyed my hair. My hair is a gorgeous chef's kiss color. Maybe I'll put it in here, maybe not. And I'm going to her for a press and trim, blow dry, steam treatment, and it's like $170. It's based off the length of your hair. To some people that's expensive, but my hair is super healthy. So I have not been saving for my birthday. I've been doing such a big job on it. My job, and my birthday is in less than 6 months. For mid spending for health, I am going to put $25. I did just buy some vitamins. Amazon, nothing. Food, I am not sure. But as of right now, I am just going to put 25. I might come back to that. Gifts 150 because it is not 150, 200 because I need to cover the shoes that I just bought for my mom. I did just buy her some oh crap, she might watch this video. Her birthday's coming up, so I just bought something. Hopefully I edit it out and she don't watch the video. I just bought her something. It's something that she wanted, so she probably saw the package at home. And then we're going out for her birthday, so I just put that there. If I have extra, I'll move it somewhere else, and I'll show you how I move that. Now let me show y'all my wants. This is my Ultra Human ring. I need $478. I haven't put any money towards it. So when I did this, I just put custom and up to a balance. I didn't want to say set aside because it's not a bill. Fill up to, like fill up to this for my fun money, but or anything like that. But I will be starting to do a little bit more. How do I say it? And Zanae personal spending because I am going on a couple trips, so I want to have money to the side outside of my daily envelopes, my weekly expenses. So long-term savings because I want the watch and I don't really have a due date. Excuse me. So I don't have a due date here because I don't know when I'm going to get it by because it's not a priority right now. Maybe I'll ask for it for my birthday, ask for some money towards it. We'll see. Cancel. Now we're going to move on to long-term savings. I am not going to put anything inside of here right now. I did spend some money here already. Travel the world. This is still here, luxury. Moving out is the same type of target as, oops, sorry guys. The same type of target as the other one. Okay, oops, I'm not know what I'm doing. So I have it here that I want $5,000. Retirement, nothing's in there. Medical school, I only have 30. Emergency fund, I'm supposed to save. I think I want to have $1,000 by December. We'll see if that even happens. And then first home, I want to eventually have $15,000 to put towards a first home. Okay. So that is that, you guys. And I did tell y'all when I moved here, I wiped out my whole Ally account because I needed to support myself. So, and I still do have some money in my cash envelopes that I need to just open up a bank account here to put into. I think I did this one already. Sorry guys. This is a little chaotic. I'm literally doing this as I would just sit here and budget by myself. Save that money, honey. I'm not putting any. I don't know how much I want to transfer as of now. So we'll see, and that will go between my buckets and everything. That girl got to invest. I know I'm supposed to put 20, so I'm going to put 10 for now. Buckets of money is just my month ahead. I have 200 right now to the side. Yearly subs, I'm not putting anything to this. And then my credit cards, the ones that's not on here, so I'm going to put 50. I pay more than the minimum every single month, so for everything. And then my credit card payments, which are attached. This is my Dreamer credit card. I'm not putting anything into that. I'll use my next paycheck for that. My PayPal credit card, my payment is really $170 now. It used to be $200. I think this month is $168, but I put pay $350 a month because I need to knock that girl down. I have no money on my Victoria's Secret card, and then this is for my laser hair removal. It has no interest if I pay it off in the time frame. It's $185 per month, but I split it between paychecks. Okay, I'm trying to see if I'm forgetting anything. I don't think so. So now we're gonna go back to stuff to see what I want to do. So transfers to savings account. I think I'm just going to do. Let's see what 70 looks like. No, let's just do. How much money I have left over if I do 80? No, let's not do 80, guys. Let's do 75. And that money that I put into there to transfer to the savings account will go between my long-term savings and buckets of money with month ahead. And I'll show you guys how I put that money in. But as of right now, I'm thinking $30 to month ahead. So that would leave me with 45. I'll put some money into moving out. You know what? Let's switch that. I'm going to do 45 to month ahead. And then I'll split 30 in between emergency fund, first home, and moving out. So that will be 10, 10, 10. So I'm still putting money to all of that. And then travel the world. I'll probably put $5 towards this as of now. Oop, I didn't mean to highlight that, y'all. Going out, nothing. Self-care. I do need to get my nails done and a wax. My nails are like really bad right now. So I'm not really sure. I have $49 left over. I think I'm just going to make that 55. And then I told you I like using my credit card, and then I'll pay it back with my other thing. So right now I'm just going to put $6 to make that. Ooh. Not 600 now. I ain't got. So I just put how much I want to add. And like I put how much, like, okay, how much I want to add it up to, because they automatically, add the money for me. Sorry, I just cracked my elbow, y'all. Did I put any money in food? Okay, I put $25 in food. So right now, since I don't know what I want to do with this, I will go up to here, keep me afloat, and I put $11.31 into that. And that is literally how I budget my paycheck. And then I will come back and show you guys how I put everything into, like, once I have stuff in my account, how I categorize it and put it in my categories. So let me know how you guys like this video. I'm sorry that it is a little chaotic, but I hope you still enjoyed it, because you guys are real time budgeting with your girl.